Okay, so I would like to show how to um, operate the UMOAB with the ROS2 environment. So basically, the UMOAB is designed for ROS1, so it can output ROS1 topic from the USB-C port. So, but in order to make it run in ROS2 environment, we need to install the ROS1 bridge on the ROS2 environment. So you need to make sure that your computer has ROS1 and ROS2 installed. So in my case, I have ROS1 Noetic and ROS2 Foxy, and both already installed. And on my terminal, so if I show you on my bash RC, you will see that I comment this out, the source of the ROS environment of ROS1 and ROS2, but I will source this file individually in each terminal. So first we open first terminal here. We need to run ROS core, which is the ROS1. So you need to source it like this. So I'm just gonna copy this, and then we just place it here. So this is the source of the noetic of the ROS1, and also we need to export the ROS master, ROS IP, and host name as here. And after that, on this first terminal, we can just run ROS core, same as the we have done on ROS1. So this is okay. So on the second terminal, we need to run ROS1. We need to source ROS1 and ROS2 environment both. So first we gonna source the ROS1 environment, same as the first one. Okay, and again I just source the ROS2. This is the ROS2 Foxy, and I just paste it here, and also the ROS master, ROS IP, and host name. And the next on the second terminal here, we need to run ROS1 bridge, which I already have run it before. ROS2 run, ROS1 bridge, dynamic bridge. So once you run this, it will show that it creates some bridge topic from this. So once we start to port the topic from either ROS1 or ROS2, it will just show it here. So on the third terminal here, we're gonna do the same thing. So we need to source ROS1 environment like this, and then also the same as the ROS master and ROS IP and ROS host name. So on this terminal, the third one, we're going to run the ROS0 Python. This is the ROS0 Python package from ROS1. So the UMOAB is using def TTY USB 0 with the baud rate of this one 921/600. So I just run this. So if it's showing like this, that means this terminal so you can see that the UMOAB is blinking on here, and that means it's working fine. So now all of the data like GPS and IMU, it's porting to this terminal. So so the next terminal that we need to run is I made the UMOAB ROS2 converter, which is built on the ROS2. So on my dev workspace and in the source directory, you will see this UMOAB ROS2 converter. I already built that. Then I just run ROS2 run and UMOAB ROS2 converter, and the pops up. So this pops up is going to just publish the same thing as the UMOAB publish and subscribe the same thing. So because now, for example, if I source this terminal as the ROS2 environment, and here, and also the ROS master. So if I run ROS2 topic list, you will see that there is nothing, the topic, there's no topic from the UMOAB. But once we run this node, the UMOAB ROS2 converter pops up. We're going to see the topic from UMOAB. So if I run this, then, and the second terminal, you can notice that it's showing that the passing message from ROS1 blah 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 to ROS2. So if it's showing like this, that means it's working fine. Then if you ROS2 topic list again, so you could see that there is the topic coming. So for example, the UMOAB is subscribed on the, let's say, relay. So I can do something like ROS2 topic pop and once, and the topic name, the UMOAB relay, and the standard message. What is that for message? And the message is Boolean, so the data should be Boolean like this. So you hear the sound of the relay, which is here. If it's working fine, then yeah, you can hear it clicking sound, so that means it's working fine. So if I set it to false, so it's just gonna, yep, click back. So normally, I will show you one more example on the ROS topic pop. So if you want to use like LED, this 24 volt, so you need to plug the external power, like 24 volt from another battery. So I can do something like, let's say, UMOAB and LED and a standard message, and LED is the uint 8 multi-array. So uint 8 multi-array, and it has 3 LEDs that we can control. So if you set it to 1, it's going to light up the LED, and if we set it to 0, so we can turn off the LED. And you may notice that I'm plugging the GPS, the F9P already, and also the IMU, which is the MBNO055. So I can show that it's already polling the data. So if I open the new terminal here, yeah, I still need to source the ROS2 environment again, this, and also the export. Okay, so if I do ROS2 topic list, I should see the data. And if I try to echo this one, the UMOAB GPS, so ROS2 topic echo and UMOAB GPS, so you should see that there is the latitude, longitude, and the altitude. So this is the UMOAB GPS, and at the same time the IMU, which is the orientation. So here it's also running. So I made one visualization tools for the IMU. So if you run, okay, please look on this terminal here. So if you run ROS2 run UMOAB ROS2 converter and IMU vis, you can visualize the IMU. So if you open RVis2, like I have it here, so if I open RVis2 and I add the topic of the marker array of IMU marker, so you will see that the box is showing the orientation. So if I turn it in set direction, it's also gonna turn in this visualization tools. So and Y, this is X, sorry, this is X, and also in Y. Okay. And also we have the receiver plugging now. So I will turn on my Futaba transmitter here. So okay, let me close this first. So if I ROS2 topic echo, and it's UMOAB, it's bus RC channel. So you will see that the data of the channel is coming. And also mode changing. So at the same time, we are using channel 5 for the card control mode. So if you ROS2 topic echo UMOAB and card mode, so you will see is one is for manual. So when I switch to whole, it will be 0. If I switch to front, it is auto mode, then yeah, it can also reflect the card mode. And that is the demonstration of how to use UMOAB with the ROS2 environment. Okay, thank you.